welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you guys this. Right now I am wearing these Wonder Beauties baggage claim gold eye mask, and they came in this. You could probably get more than one use out of this if you put them back in here, because there's a lot of serum in here on this, if you can see. All right, so now that that's over with, let me tell you, I'm so excited for this video today because I am doing a collaboration with a friend. Her name is Ash Vlogs. Okay, so I want you guys to go check out her channel, and if you are from her channel, welcome. Thank you for coming to my channel. Now what me and Ash Vlogs are doing, we're going to use the same palette and we're going to do an eye tutorial with it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys this palette. I'm so excited about this palette. It's an affordable palette, y'all. It was $7 from Ulta. It was, but I had to go to the Ulta in Georgia to get it because the Ulta where I'm at in Alabama was sold out. And when I went to Georgia, I got the very last one. It was the very last one. I opened up to make sure it wasn't swatched. But I'm excited about it. It is the I Heart Revolution Rose Gold Chocolate Palette. Ta-da! It's beautiful. It's cute. It's compact. It's sweet. It was only $7, so it's affordable. And we're going to see how these colors work. Can we get a good look out of an affordable palette? Look at these colors. They are so beautiful. I want to swatch this one. Let's swatch some of them. I'm not going to swatch all of them. They don't have names on them. Look at that. It's not what I thought it was. Let's swatch this one. This is a pink shade in there. I'm going to swatch shimmers. So it's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes and 2 shimmers. So I'm excited to use this palette because I thought it was very beautiful when she showed it to me, and so I had to go out and get it. So let's get into this tutorial. All right, first we are going to take a fluffy brush. I was looking for this brush the other day, couldn't find it. I don't want to use it now. We're going to take a fluffy blending brush. Yeah, we'll take this one. And we're going to take a fluffy blending brush. Because this is the shade I was most excited about in this palette. I'm going to go into this shade first. There are no names for these colors, but we're going to try to go in with this one. And we're going to go above the crease. And just for you, so you guys know that I have hooded eyes. Look, can you see? I have hooded eyes. So this is a hooded eye friendly channel. So, and how you probably can't tell that I have hooded eyes is whenever I do my eyeshadow, I always stretch my eyes like this. And that gives me the perfect look. I'm gonna actually do this on camera. No mirror, guys. No mirror. So, you guys know that I have been working, and this has been like, it's been a hard transition for me. First of all, this is blending amazing. It's good formula. This has been a very big transition for me anyways to get back to work. But this hospital has been like so unorganized. I have been threatening to quit this job since I started orientation. I threatened to quit, what day was it? Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I threatened to quit Monday. Because of some policies. You know, they when you're a travel nurse, the hospitals, whoever's doing the schedule, they try to cater to the staff. So this girl, she had this difficult patient that she thought was difficult. Mind you, she had an orientee that day before, and she only had 4 patients. I didn't have anybody, and I had 5 patients. She didn't want one of her difficult patients back. She wanted to take one of 2 of my semi-easy patients and give me her difficult patient. And she only still had 4 patients, and I had 5. So I told them that was going to be my last day. I was not coming back. I was not finna do that crap, because the least you could do is give me my patients back. I've been struggling all weekend to care for these patients. Give me my patients back. And I just found that to be crazy for them to do that. But anyways, I guess she felt sorry because I threatened to quit or whatever. I showed out. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I showed out. I was cursing. I was like, I'm not finna do this shit. And I want my patient back because I felt like that was ridiculous for them to do that. I didn't understand it. She only had 4 patients. I had 5 patients. Mind you, the lady was a DNR. So she wasn't finna have to call her. I was in there struggling with my patients, trying to give my patients good care. And because you come in one day and you don't want your patient back, well, give that. If there's a difficult patient at the hospitals, we will pass that patient around. So one person won't get stuck taking care of that patient. You won't get stuck with that hard patient. But my thing is, if you're going to exchange patients, then give that to a patient to someone who hasn't been there the last 2 days taking care of these same patients. I had the same patient list since I had came in there that Saturday. So you would want to give that patient to someone who was coming in new. But what they tried to do was get that patient to a travel nurse. And I was like, I'm not finna do this. Okay, so we're going to go into this shade right here. And we're going to take that below this shade. I was like, I'm not finna do this. So right now, you guys, you can probably see that these shadows aren't super pigmented. But we're going to see if we can build them up and get a good look out of it still. So I was just like, I'm not finna do this with y'all because there's no point. Like, this hospital has already been bad since the beginning. The orientation was horrible. I didn't learn nothing in orientation. The people running the orientation, everybody should be fired and they need to restore. They need to let me run your orientation, baby. I can show you. I've been traveling nursing for a year. This is like over a year now because my year was up in August. I started last August. So I've been doing this for a while. I've been to a few hospitals. I know how things should be run. And I feel like I really should be hired in a management type of position because I'm really good at stuff like that. But anyways, I talked to my husband. And so I think what I'm going to do is probably finish this assignment, maybe work another assignment, maybe a 26-week assignment. And then I'm going to come off the road. I'm going to come off the road and I want to go work in the ICU. I'm going to go work in SI. The SICU, which is the surgical ICU. I'm going to go back into this color and go back up top, which is the SICU. And that's what we're going to do. But my work week has not been easy. Y'all, I work hard for my money. And y'all know that nurses do all the work and doctors. Let me tell you what these doctors do. We tell the doctors what we need. From my experience, we tell them what we need. If a doctor asks me to do something and they do sometimes, I question it if I feel like my patient don't need it. Because I'm not out here to harm nobody. And sometimes these doctors, they can be overloaded and overworked with patients. So I would definitely question or order. I did it at this hospital. I was like, why she need this? She already had this. Ain't nothing wrong with what's going on with it. So why does she need this? And he explained, well, that you gave her helped her. So I want to try it again and see it helped the specific thing and see if it will help her again. So once he explained it, I was like, oh, okay, cool. And I'll give it to him. But then I had to put the order in. So you called me to tell me that so I could put the order in when you could have just put the order in yourself. Doctors are supposed to put in their own order so nothing don't get miscommunicated with the nurses. I'm going back into this to this color and I'm taking it back up into the crease. So, y'all are supposed to put in your own orders to keep down mistakes, make sure, you're ordering the right thing and stuff like this. But I guess he was too busy to put in his own order that day and I got to do it. So, it is what it is. But that's how my work week went. Also, guys, I want to ask y'all something about the giveaway. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to go into one of these shimmer shades and see if it'll pop up for us. So I was wondering about the giveaway. I don't know, because I had been doing a lot of colorful tutorials with you guys. And so I didn't know if you guys would want, because I promised you guys a palette in the giveaway. So I didn't know if you guys would want a colorful palette or would you want an everyday palette. Because there was a lot of sales going on. And right now I am at 79 subscribers. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I've grown so fast in these few weeks, and I just want to appreciate the people that subscribe to my channel and that's supporting. So I feel like we're gonna reach that 100 subscribers sooner than I thought we was. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase the palette, and once I get the palette, I'm gonna do another giveaway update. I'm gonna announce the palette and I'm gonna add some more items to the giveaway. But I want to know if you guys would prefer a colorful palette, or would you guys prefer an everyday palette? And to me, I would like to know what you guys would like, what the majority wants. Because I want to get you something that you guys are going to use. I don't want to get you something I think you want to use. Because I was thinking a colorful palette, because I don't feel like a lot of people use a lot of color. And I had been doing a lot of tutorials. But now we are moving into fall. And so with that, I didn't know if you girls would want a colorful palette if you want to fall. Matter of fact, this is my first fall look with you girls. This is my first fall look with my subscribers. And I'm going to try to make this look as good as I can. Now, this is my first fall look with my subscribers. I'm excited. You guys know that fall is my favorite season. And so we are getting this thing kicked off with a bang, with a collab video. This is my first collab video. And I want to thank Ashley Vlogs for collabing with me, because she didn't have to, but I appreciate the fact that she was and that she did collab with me on this. All right, so we're gonna finish up this look. I don't think I'm gonna put on any. I don't know if I'm gonna do a full face or not, but I'll be back, you guys, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts on this palette, and also my thoughts on the baggage, these things. How long do you, let me tell you guys how long you're supposed to use these things on. They're individually packed, they're supposed to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Okay. You're supposed to experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The Gold Force helps to retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin fiber, the coldness, and delivers key ingredients efficiently, giving you all the skin level benefits that you need. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Oil leaf extract, lavender oil cooling effect, while soothing and calming the under eye area. Directions: apply the skin, under eyes, repeat. The other side, leave on for 10-15 minutes. And discard after use gently. So you're supposed to, you're supposed to leave them on for 10-15 minutes. So I think that's what I've done, because I had these on before I started filming. And so I think this look came out pretty good. All right, and I will be back. Okay, guys, I am back with my finished look. I hope you guys like this look. What's on my lip is this Shop Miss AOA Studio Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Drama. This is my first look of the fall. Hey, yeah, I love the fall. So, my thoughts on this palette, the Rose Gold Chocolate Gold. This palette it's a good palette. It's a good everyday palette, but it's not as pigmented as I wanted it to be. But I feel like it's a good option. For $7, it's a good palette. You can get some good looks out of it. To me, this color wasn't as pigmented, and this color wasn't as pigmented. The shimmers were good. This matte was good. This matte was good. I don't think I used those two. But those are my thoughts on those, on this palette. So y'all go, please check out Ashley Vlogs channel, and then also subscribe to my Instagram, because I've already posted some stuff, some gems on there about sales and stuff, and I am gonna be constantly adding to those. And also I want to show you guys these Eco toothbrushes. I use these to blend out my foundation and my concealer. I like these brushes. I'm sure you can get, I got these from Ulta. You can get them from Ulta on sale. I like them. These are good for blending out your foundation and concealer, but I will say that it did take me more work to blend out my foundation with this brush than it does my IT Cosmetics brush. But they are a good, more affordable option if you cannot afford those brushes. Also, my thoughts on the Wonder Beauty baggage claims. The Wonder Beauty baggage. These are the ones I've taken off. Honestly, you guys, I really didn't see a really big difference. But I did like them. I'm going to give it another try. Maybe I can give you guys an update on them. But right now, if I had to go out and purchase these for full price, I wouldn't repurchase these. But I'm going to enjoy them while I have them. And if they get better, if I notice a difference, I will give you guys an update. But thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video.